Hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Tata Joycelyn from the Human Resource Management Department, BTech, from Campus B, and I'm here to present on the assignment you asked us to. So, I've already opened the workbook, and I'm going to start by saying this is a workbook, and then we have many sheets. In order to add the sheets, we can press here and we will see the different sheets. We can just press down here and the sheets will add. And then to increase the view of the work that we are doing, we can come down here and increase the view. Can come down here and increase the view in order that we might be able to have a greater way of viewing, like we can view the program better. So up here where the mouse is, we have our tab, and in our tabs we have readings, and in the readings we have groups. So here like this, all of this is called a range. When you take a combination of many rows and columns makes a range, and then a particular where a row and a column meet, we call it a cell. So basically that's what I learned, and then this where I've highlighted so far, it is called a column, and when you're going down from top to bottom, it is called a row. Now there are many rows, and there are many columns, and there are many according to the data that you want to fill. Now if you want to fill a data, you can just start by clicking on a cell and then you type. You can equally move from cell to cell using the key buttons that are down. Sorry, my keyboard is in French, so it's a little difficult for me to. So we have rank, and then we can use the key button to move from cell to cell, up and down, and just like that. So I just want to give a little bit of information in order to illustrate some other things that I learned from the video you asked us to watch. So when cells are clicking together, sorry sir, I made a mistake. Okay, so here I made a mistake in filling the cell, and in order to correct it, I can just come on. I can correct it on the cell itself, or I can just come on up here, click once, and then exit the cell from up. Then I can go to the next cell by either clicking on it or using the keys down like I said before. So this is just it. I want to enter some data. Name of Okay, so like I was saying, I'm just entering some data to demonstrate some of the things that I learned in. As I said, I have a French keyboard, and it's really disturbing for me to fill my information. Okay, I had a little problem, and now it's okay. So, name, just enter a little bit of data, and Yeah, so that's how we enter data and then we move from cell to cell. Thank you very much, sir. That's what I learned from the video and more, but it's already more than time. Thank you very much. I'm grateful for all that you've taught us.